Hi Tanu.
Hi Dolly,
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine, Tanu. Now I'll ask some questions.
Okay, ask me.
Has she won the prize?
Yes, she has won the prize.
What she has won?
She has won the prize.
Where has she won the prize?
She has won the prize at college.
Uh, when has she won the prize?
She has won the prize at yesterday.
At which game has she won the prize?
At Kabaddi, she has won the prize.
What kind of prize has she won?
She has one set of bottles.
Okay. How many prizes has she won?
She has won 3 prizes.
At which game she has participated?
She has participated Kabaddi, Carrom board, Coco.
With whom has she participated?
With her friends, she has participated.
How many games has she participated?
She has participated in nearly 5 games.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, Glory, can I ask you some questions?
Yes, can you ask me?
Has your brother watched movies?
Yes, she has. He has watched movies.
In which time he has watched movies?
At free time, he has watched movies.
At where has he watched movies?
At my home, he has watched movies.
With whom has he watched movies?
With me, he has watched movies.
Which type of movies has he liked mostly?
He liked mostly horror movies.
What kind of movies has he watched regularly?
He regularly watched horror movies only.
Okay. Which movies has he watched occasionally?
He has watched comedy movies occasionally.
Okay. Where did he has watched movies?
At home and theater, he has watched movies.
Okay, thank you, Glory.
Okay, thank you.
Hi Lakshmi,
Hi Shanti.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine too. Can I ask some questions for you?
Yes, ask.
Will he be preparing for exams?
Yes, he will be preparing for exams.
What will he be preparing?
He will be preparing exams.
Will he be preparing for exams?
At evening time, he will be preparing exams.
How will he be preparing for exams?
He will be preparing exams very hard work.
Where will he be preparing for exams?
At home, he will be preparing exam.
With whom will he be preparing for exams?
He will be preparing exams alone.
At what time will he be preparing for exams?
At free time, he will be preparing exams.
What kind of subject will he be preparing for exams?
He will be preparing exams like maths, physics, etc.
Which subject will he be preparing the most?
He will be preparing the computer subject the most.
What all subjects will he be preparing?
He will be preparing maths, physics, computers, languages, etc.
How usually will he be preparing for exams?
He often preparing exams. Then I ask some questions.
Yes. Ask me.
Will she be playing carom?
Yes, she will be playing carom.
What will she be?
She will be playing caroms.
Okay. When will she be playing carom?
She will be playing caroms at 4 p.m.
Where she will be playing carom?
She will be playing caroms at home.
With whom she will be playing carom?
She will be playing caroms along with her friends and family members.
At what time will she be playing carom?
She will be playing caroms at night time.
What all she will be playing playing games?
She will be playing games like chess, caroms, indoor games.
Okay. How often will she be playing carom?
She will be playing caroms frequently, usually.
Okay. Which game will she be like the most?
She will be liking the most game is chess.
Okay, then Shanti. Bye.
Then bye.
Good evening, Sai.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am fine. Had you bought vegetables?
Yes, I had bought vegetables.
Which type of vegetables had you bought?
I bought 5 types of vegetables.
With whom had you bought vegetables?
I had bought vegetables with my friend.
Where you had bought vegetables?
At market, I had bought the vegetables.
How you had bought vegetables?
I had brought the vegetables in the basket.
When had you bought the vegetables?
At morning I had brought the vegetables.
Why had you bought the vegetables?
To make curry I had brought the vegetables.
What all vegetables had you bought?
Carrots, beetroots, etc. I had brought the vegetables.
How much of cost had you bought vegetables?
It may be 250 rupees I had brought the vegetables.